Complete simple step-by-step guide on how to trade US stock on SuperEX. SuperEX is leading the market by bringing to you US stock on their platform. This is very good news for everyone trading stocks or that want to trade stocks on any exchange. Then SuperEX is where to get that deal. But before you do that, guys, you must have an account with SuperEX. And setting up account with SuperEX is very simple and super easy. So tap on the link in the description, create your account, verify your account. Once your account has been verified, then go ahead and add some assets to your account. Tap on asset button. Once tap on asset button, it comes out like this. Go ahead and tap on deposit. From here, tap on UXDT from popular coin or search UXDT from search bar. Once tap on UXDT, it comes out like this. Then send your UXDT to this platform so that you have your coin straight to this platform. Always make sure you send your UXDT through the same network as you see on the screen. Now that I've done that, then you are good to go and trade what is called US stock on SuperEX. But guys, on SuperEX Twitter handle, this information was released that US stock zone 0 fee trade to share from 10,000 USDT plus price pool. Then you can get between 5 to USDT contract bonus for your first trade. Join trading challenge, win up to 1,000 USDT, and this is time limited opportunity from SuperEX. So guys, if you know how to trade very well, dive into this and use these benefits. Meanwhile, this video is for educational purpose, not a financial advice video. Now, to trade your US stock on SuperEX, go ahead and tap on trade button, then tap on hold for a few seconds again. It comes out like this. Tap on stock. Now that I've tapped on stock, you have yourself at this place. So once you tap on stock, you have to select the trading pairs you want to trade, then tap on the arrow between Tesla. Now here you have different options. You are under stock, then you are US stock. So here you have different stock that you can trade with your UXDT. You have AALGT, AALG/UXDT, Apple/USDT. You have so many of them here /UXDT. Alibaba, Amazon, AXP, BAC, just so many of them here on SuperEX that you can trade. So all you have to do, guys, is to select your own based on your research. So let's tap on MFST and see. Now once tap on that, it comes out like this. Now it tells you that this is closed. Now if this is not closed, you should see the price comes up here. Then once you select and you see anyone that want to trade and the price is like this one now, NVIDIA is live. You can see trade on NVIDIA because it's still live. So we're going to cover this and explain one or two things on how to trade on this platform. So now go ahead, you've typed in or you've selected your trading pair against UXDT, and the last 24 hours the price of NVIDIA has increased to 0.94% in the last 24 hours. Now quickly tap on the small candlestick at the front to comes out like this. Now you have access to what has happened to the market in the time specified on this platform. In 30 minutes, you see that the price of NVIDIA goes down a little bit. In the last 4 hours, what happened to the price by tapping on 4 hours, then you should see what happened to the price in the last 4 hours. Then if you want to see what happened in the last 12 hours, you have access to it in last 12 hours. Then you tap on the double candlestick at the front, it comes out like this. Now you have the market, you have the info and project. On the market, you have access to the current price of any UXT, any UX stock you want to trade on this platform, and the current price of NVIDIA is $181.71, and it has increased to 1.11% in the last 24 hours. It has increased to 1.031 in the last 24 hours. Then if you scroll up, you see book order or order book, then you have market history. This tells you that people are buying on this platform. Then if you tap on the info, guys, brings to this information. You have that NVIDIA Corporation, that is the name. You have the token names, then you have the basic information about the project, you have their website. If you tap on project analysis, you have that this one is being audited by SATIC and other important information that you can access on this platform. Now that I've done all this, the next thing is to come and trade. But guys, before you trade, you can easily calculate your profits before you even engage on the trading. So just drop in the comment section that please make a video on how to calculate my profit before I start trading. Now go ahead and tap on buy or on sell. So if you tap on buy or on sell, you can see that on sell is always indicated with red color, while buy is always indicated with green color. Then under it, you have this called limit. Tap on that small arrow. You have two different options here. You have the limit, the market, stop limit, and stop market. So for the sake of this video, I'll be covering just two, the market and the limit. So let's talk about the market. The market tells you that you buy at the current price of this UX stock platform or US stock market. Then it means you cannot control the price. You only need to enter the amount of UXs you want to buy, then tap on buy button. Then if you want to sell as well, you enter the amount you want to sell, then you tap on sell button. Now let's go ahead and tap on the market. Then from here, tap on limit button. Here on limit button, you have access to enter the market. To select the price you want to enter the market. So the current price of NVIDIA is 181.5. and you think that the price will go down or go up, just take your time and tap on where you see plus and minus under price. So you enter the price you want to enter the market into that place. Then the amount you want to invest, you enter it under UXDT. So you enter it under turnover UXDT, or you drag from here. Then the amount of NVIDIA you get will comes up in its appropriate place. Then you tap on buy button. Then you can as well tap on stop loss and take profit here once your order has been completed. So that is a simple process, guys, on how to leverage on this opportunity and earn for yourself on SuperEX exchange platform. If you enjoy what I've explained and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you're notified when we drop another important video on this channel. See you soon, guys, on our next video.